Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 electric toothbrushes in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading electric toothbrush that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Oral-B Pro 1000 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. This sleek, black toothbrush promises a superior clean. Let's dive in. The Oral-B Pro 1000 claims to remove up to 100% more plaque along the gum line compared to a manual toothbrush. Its round brush head technology is dentist-inspired for optimal cleaning. This toothbrush features a Sensi cleaning mode and gum pressure control. It automatically stops pulsations if you're brushing too hard, protecting your gums from damage. With 3 easy-to-use cleaning modes and a handle-integrated quadrant timer, the Oral-B Pro 1000 maximizes cleaning performance. It alerts you every 30 seconds to change your brushing zone. You can personalize your clean with available Oral-B brush heads. Whether you need a deep clean, gentle clean, or whitening, there's a brush head for you. In conclusion, that's the Oral-B Pro 1000. It's more than just a toothbrush. It's a game-changer for oral health. Number 4. The Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. This is not just a toothbrush, it's a complete oral care solution. First off, this toothbrush is a powerhouse. It's got an industry-leading motor that produces 40,000 vibrations per minute. That's some serious cleaning power. What's more, it's got the ADA seal of approval. This means it's proven to remove plaque and help prevent and reduce gingivitis. It's not just about cleaning, it's about complete oral health. This toothbrush is packed with modern tech. It's got a lithium-ion battery, ultra-fast wireless charging, and 4 distinct brushing modes. Plus, it's got a smart vibrating notification timer. It comes with 8 DuPont engineered brush heads that will last you for about 2.5 years. Plus, it's got a custom hard shell travel case that's perfect for on the go. In conclusion, that's the Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. It's more than a toothbrush, it's a complete oral care solution. Number 3, the Philips Sonicare 4100 Power Toothbrush. This rechargeable electric toothbrush is a game-changer for oral hygiene. This toothbrush removes up to 7x more plaque compared to a manual toothbrush. The battery indicator light shows the battery status. The pressure sensor and 2 intensity settings protect sensitive gums from overbrushing. It's gentle yet effective. The 2-minute smart timer with quad pacer ensures you brush for the dentist-recommended time. No more guesswork. The brush head replacement reminder ensures your brush head is always effective. It's like having a personal dental assistant. One charge lasts for 2 weeks. The battery light indicator keeps you informed. In conclusion, the Philips Sonicare 4100 is a fantastic investment for your oral health. Number 2. The Oral-B Smart 1500 Electric Power Rechargeable Battery Toothbrush. Let's dive right in. This toothbrush can remove up to 100% more plaque, even in hard-to-reach areas, thanks to Oral-B's Deep Cleaning 3-in-1 technology. It protects your gums with a special sensitive cleaning mode and a 360 degrees visible gum pressure control that lights up when you're brushing too hard. Maximize your cleaning performance with 4 easy-to-use cleaning modes and a handle-integrated quadrant timer that alerts you every 30 seconds to change your brushing zone. You can personalize and level up your clean with Oral-B brush heads available for your individual needs, such as deep clean, gentle clean, and whitening. Oral-B round brush heads reach where rectangular manual brushes don't, providing a better clean from the #1 brand most used by dentists worldwide. In conclusion, that's the Oral-B Smart 1500 for you, folks. A toothbrush that offers a superior clean, protects your gums, and is customizable to your needs. Number 1. The Oral-B IO Series 5 Limited Rechargeable Electric-Powered Toothbrush. This isn't just any toothbrush, it's a game changer. In just 1 week, this toothbrush can remove 100% more plaque and even 2.5x in between teeth compared to a manual brush. That's Oral-B's most advanced technology at work. Never miss a spot with the AI-powered Oral-B app. It tracks how and where you brush in real time. Talk about smart brushing. The IO pressure sensor is unique to Oral-B. It signals if you're brushing too hard, too soft, or just right for an effective and safe clean. Choose from 5 cleaning modes: daily clean, intense clean, sensitive, super sensitive, whitening. Personalize your brushing experience. Maximize your clean with the IO Light Ring timer that celebrates a dentist-recommended 2-minute brush and alerts you when to change the refill. In conclusion, the Oral-B IO Series 5 reaches where rectangular manual brushes don't. Experience the best clean from Oral-B, the brand most used by dentists worldwide. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.